There's no denying that the long-term financial benefits of owning a home. But today's housing market may have you wondering if now is still the time to buy. While the financial aspects of buying a home are important, the non-financial and emotional reasons are too. So home means something different to all of us, whether it's sharing memories with loved ones at the kitchen table or settling in to read a book in the favorite chair. The emotional connections to our homes can be just as important as the financial ones. Here are some of the things that kind of makes a house a home. You can be proud of your accomplishment. Buying a home is a major life milestone. Whether you're setting out to buy your first home or your fifth, congratulations would be in order for the achievement of that goal. The sense of accomplishment you're going to feel at the end of your journey will truly make your home feel like a special place. You have your very own designated happy place. Owning your own home offers not only safety and security, but also it's a comfortable place where you can relax and unwind after a long day. Sometimes that's just what you need to feel recharged and content. You can always find the space to meet your needs. So whether you want more room for your changing lifestyle, maybe like retirement or a dedicated space for a hobby or a personal gym, you can simply prefer to have a large backyard for entertaining. You can invest in a home that truly works for your evolving needs. You can customize your surroundings. So looking to try one of those decorative wall treatments that you saw online, tired of paying the additional pet deposit for your apartment, maybe you want to create an in-home yoga studio. You can do all of these things when you own your own home. The bottom line, whether you're planning to purchase your first home or you're ready to buy a different home to meet your current needs, consider the emotional benefits that can turn a house into a happy home. And when you're ready to make a move, let's connect.